Hey guys, Chris Wilson from Academy of Music and Art, and today we're going to talk about the #1 challenge beginner guitarists face, and that is changing between chords in real time, like in a song. It's a lot like learning a foreign language. You can learn a couple words, put them together, and make a sentence, but when you try to have a conversation, it's just going by too fast. So if we take two beginner chords, we're going to take G, and we're going to take C add 9. Two very easy chords. What we're going to practice is playing each one for 4 counts, but what we want to concentrate on is just making sure we hit the chord on beat 1. So if I put on a metronome, I want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm hitting G on 1, and then I'm using beats 2, 3, and 4 of that measure to get to C in the right place. What you can do after that is try playing the chord on the first 2 beats, and then use 2 beats to change. So 1, 2, change 3, 4, 1, 2, change 3, 4, 1, 2, change 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can keep doing that to the point where you can simply go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then gradually speed up your metronome. You can then start experimenting using different chords, and pretty soon, before you know it, you'll be playing songs. So good luck, and I'll see you next video.